this video, I'm going to go through one example of analyzing the derivative graphically. So what we're going to do at each point of the graph that has been identified as A, B, C, D, and E, we're going to determine whether the value of the derivative is positive, negative, 0, or has no derivative. Now, as you recall, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line. So as long as I can draw a tangent line and then can look at that and determine what the slope of that tangent line would be, then I'm going to be able to have a good idea as to whether the derivative is positive, negative, 0, or if it doesn't exist at all. Now let's first take a look at point A. Point A is what's called a cusp. All right there at point A. It's a sharp point on the graph. All right, and hopefully you recall that the derivative cannot exist at a cusp because we cannot draw a tangent line right there. So at A, we have no derivative. Okay, now if I look at B, the point B on the graph, and I attempt to draw the tangent line, all right, it won't necessarily be a perfect tangent line, but the tangent line would look something like that. All right, and looking at that, clearly I'm going to have a negative slope on that tangent line. So then B, the derivative at B then would be negative. Looking at the point C right there, that's a minimum, and so at maximums or minimums, the tangent line is going to be a horizontal line. All right, in which case the slope of a horizontal line is 0, so the derivative at that point is going to be 0. Taking a look at point D, if I attempt to draw a tangent line right there, again, probably not the best tangent line, but we get the idea. It is going to have a positive slope. That tangent line will have a positive slope, which means the derivative will be positive at that point. And then the last one, E, is a maximum. So again, at a maximum or minimum, then the tangent line there is going to be horizontal, and that has a slope of 0. So clearly this is something that you do very early on in a Calc 1 class, where you're just taking a look at what that derivative is and what it means, and how we can do this pictorially using a graph. The main thing is to keep in mind that the derivative is the slope of the tangent line. So as long as you can draw a tangent line and can calculate that slope, you're going to be able to calculate your derivative. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And please subscribe to the channel. And of course, turn those notifications on so you can find out when I have a new upload. Thanks.